There. Hinahanap. Kanina sinasabi natin ang direksyon, hahanapin ng Gordons. Ang kailangan maghanap ng direksyon ngayon wala. Although ito ang kanilang strong suit, Dr. J.
Rebounding, offensive rebounding and follow-up. They had 14 points from that area in the first half. Now it's already 16 in the ball game.
Kung makikita mo yung rebound, di ba palagi natin sinasabi ng Dr. J, gauge ng intensity yan o ng desire. Hindi naman magpapalayo ng desire ang kukunan ng Papola, pero hindi talaga nila malusutan itong Gordon Taylor.
Well, this is a very, very quick move by Marlo Aquino. Nakita mo, papihit na siya, tumatanggap pala, papihit niya dahil alam niya kung i-fake mo pa yan, aabutin ka ni Saldi Realubit. Kaya inunahan na niya doon sa baseline move and nice use of the glass. Teka muna, may papalitan dito pero hindi yata aabot. So, yeah, Maroelos, papalitan pa si Nick Velasco because
Foul trouble.
Tsaka at the same time, gusto nilang yung medyong kakatawaning konti ito on the outside. No?
Si Marlo Aquino, ito kinakausap ni Norman Black. So malamang ito ay sandali lamang. Oo. Parata will get the long rebound. .54-55 ang ating talaan. Ang kapunan ng Gordons in control of this ball game. Masabi natin from the start, Dr. J.
Halos.
Vergel Meneses binago ang kanyang tira at foul ang itatawag kanino? Kinoli Luksin.
Holding down Byron Houston. Maganda lusot dito ni Vergel, pero look at Marlo sat down and held. So he's gonna change that shot.
Pahihirapan niya ng konti itong si Vergel Meneses doon sa ating Salem 100's replay.
Ayan na, si Velasco bumalik na kaagad, partner. So it was just merely some instructions to be given to Nick Velasco.
Kung paano niya lalaroin, malamang yung pasa na yung Dr. J and Meneses. Maganda yung teamwork na yun ng veterano at saka sabi natin, veterano na rin.
Sobra, veterano si Rick. Nauna pa kay Vergel yun
Kayot na yun. Near steal. Pabawiin ni Marlo pero maagaw ni Baldabid. Ang mabilis na kamay ni Baldabid, ilalabas. Dr. J, may magic pa titira. Hindi, papasa.
Nakahawa tuloy si Marlo sa hook shot.
At ito, makukuha na ng 24-second violation, but that's academic, butin na academic dahil nasa ang bola, nasa panig na ng Papola.
Correct.
Vergel Meneses.
Yes.
Pabanda na kung gusto niya itirang yun. So slowly, inching in. Pero pagka nakakalapit, Dr. J, ito kukunan ng Papola, palagi naman pumuputok itong Gordon.
Yes, they find the antidote. Pero, ano katagal? Matutuloy-tuloy niyo ba yung pagbubulusok niyo? 3-on-2 situation, mali ang depensa nito pero hindi pumasok ang layup ni Baldabid.
Rick Marata, he likes to take those 3-point shots pero hindi niya makita yung kanyang kasamang import. Ito si Vergel Meneses. Vergel Meneses, papaguhin na. Alam niya na. May poste, no? Biglang may lumabas na poste. Baldabid, ikot ang bola. Houston is open. 2-point shot is short. Rebound kukunin ni Saldi Realubit and Gordon is just terribly been out-rebounded sa ball game nito, Dr. J.
And another guy that's really not been shooting well is Bill Season. He only has 3 points in the ball game. Pihit ang pihit si Houston, hindi makalusot. Inabot tuloy ng 3-second violation.
Ganda ng depensa, Dr. J, nung Edwards. Hindi pumayag na mabungo-bungo ng katawan ni Houston.
Nagulat pa nga si Houston. Sinasalakad.
Hindi niya alam kung sino sinasandalan niya Ito po si Edwards. Ang ganda ng trademark na kilos. Ito, yung hook shot na naman. Ito, Fiestang hook shot. 25 points for a guy named Dennis Edwards, a virtual unknown till he came in. Foul ang itatawag.
Kay Noli Locsin. Almost a tripping foul there as Houston tried to get into scoring position. Third personal foul na ni Noli Locsin. Remember, Chris Bolado has 5 personal fouls.
Ito ang problema, Dr. J. No? Baka mag-short ng konti. But with the manpower that Coach Rino Salazar has. Coach, ano, siya po ang acting coach ngayon as Coach Sonny Jaworski has yet to arrive from the US. Pero probably by Tuesday sa kanilang next game, nandito na yan.
Balik na naman sa post play. Ayaw tumira si Saldi Realubit.
Okay,
Kaya linya yun.
Marata, pabandang tira at ang play ng Pagbola Dr. J, solo-solo ngayon.
Hindi maayaw sa tira talaga si Rick Marata. Kilala natin yan. Post play for Noli Locsin. Gotta get him involved.
And Velasco played excellent defense that last time around. Byron Houston, ipakita ang kanyang dribbling prowess. Binalibag ang bola and Byron Houston cannot get a decent shot off Dr. J. Hindi niya makita dahil palaging merong bumabangga sa kanya. May nagbabother ng shot niya.
Yes. That's gonna be a foul on Dennis Edwards. So Houston babalik ulit sa free throw line where he's been a visitor tonight. The most fouled player in this ball game. Pumasok ang unang tira niya, so the lead has been cut down to 4. Lamang pa rin ang Gordons with 7 minutes and 38 seconds left dito sa ating third quarter. Medyo maganda itong larong Chino, hindi kumpara dun sa first game. Sa last two games, medyo tambakan ng tambakan, pero ito medyo balikatan ng labanan.
Tandaan po ninyo, ito ang huling kumperensya at sabi nga nila, ang pinakamasarap na kumperensya sa lahat ay ang dulong kumperensya ng PBA. Una, malapit sa Pasko yan at siyempre, mas matagal mong i-cherish ang iyong championship. Samantala, ang bola ay mapupunta sa panig ng Paprola. Castle ni Rick Marata ito. Tingnan natin yung play na yan.
Pihit ni Marlo Aquino, hindi niya magamit yung banda dahil nandun yung kamay ni Saldi Realubit.
Ayun, nasundot ni Marlo Aquino.
Correct.
And Baldabid now. Makawagan ng foul. Masyado atang madikit. In that last play, 4-point lead lang para sa kunan ng Gordon. 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Ito yung foul na itatawag.
Dami palang coaching staff itong Pop Colan.
Haba, ni trainer. Alam mo yung kanilang personal trainer, yung team trainer nila si Rene Dio. Hindi pa nga naka-uniforme ng Pop Colan. Nabitawan ng bola. Binura ni Noli Locsin and that shot will count.
I think it was on the downward path, so that's going to be a goaltending violation called against Noli Locsin. Of course, that's close, pero alam mo yan, tinatawag natin judgment. Hindi natin makita sa taas.
Downward path ba yun? Mamaya makikita po natin yan. Okay, bago balik.
Outlast Battery, winner of international awards for quality.
Kakakanalawang po ng isang 3-point shot ni Pido Harenzo, 69-64. 6:31 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. At ito si Mr. Joey Concepcion enjoying a light moment with one of his kids. Yung anak niya. Yung asawa, of course, ni Mr. Joey, Marisa. Nandito rin sa Coliseum para bigyan ng suporta ang kanilang kupunan. Matagal nilang iniintay, no? Yung
Legal defense, very clear.
pangatlo na yung tawag yan. So, free throw. Ay, hindi. Una pa lang para sa kupunan ng Gordon.
Yes, marami na kontra sa Pop Cola. So, warning pa lamang kontra sa Gordons. By the way, that after the timeout, pumasok si Wilmer Ong at si Pido Arencio. Pinalitan si Baldabid at saka si Noli Locsin. Gordons is in the penalty after that first foul given up by Wilmer Ong after the timeout.
5 puntos ang kalamangan ng kupunan ng Gordons na mukhang nasa control ng ball game na ito. And that despite playing with a new import in Dennis Edwards. Byron Houston, kinuyog ng 4 na tao. Realubit is open at yun ang magagawa nitong si Byron Houston at nagliliparan ng mga sigo dito sa ilalim ng goal nitong kupunan ng Papola. Pero kita mo, hindi naiinis yung Byron Houston.
Yes. Medyo siguro na pagsabihan na nga siya na medyo physical maglaro itong mga kalaban ninyo. So, wag kang, this is a game that you must keep your cool. This is the game you must do it.
At tatadaan ang ating sasakyan. Yan ang mga pagkakataong tumama ng upo bagong kotse ang aming pamimigay sa pagtatapos ng taong ito. At yan ay meron pang kasama ng cash prizes buwan-buwan sa pamamagitan lamang ng panonood ng PBA at sa pag-abang sa ating Hyundai winning drives. Marlo Aquino missing his free throw. Si Wilmer Ong pinasok sa ballgame at alam niyo si Wilmer Ong, isa ang kanyang role dito pa-stopper ito ng mga scorers na especially yung mga malalaki ng kabilang team.
Yeah, backs out, try to rebound. Makaka-score ka, thank you, bonus yun. But more than anything, he has also the body and the height. Pero kay Houston madaming screens inaabot si Houston. They're trying to move the ball around well.
Pero magandang dinayan na ginagawa ni Wilmer Ong ngayon kay Houston. Balibag ang tira na yun ni Verhel Menezes. That shot, masyadong malayo. 70-66. Pido Harenso is open for another 3-point shot. This one is long. Forward to Verhel Menezes against Pido Harenso. Verhel tumigil ng konti. Binigay kay Rick Marata who's open. Rick Marata will take that anytime you give him that shot.
Pido Harencio rushed that 3-point shot dahil sumundot si Rick. Tignan natin itong low post play para kay Maloy. Didiin niya. Good block pero there was body contact.
Alam na ni Marlo Dr. J na mag-ilisip ng mga contact na yan.
Yeah.
Alam mong aral na siya.
Yeah. Saka patras si Ria Lubit You must hold your ground. If you give him space, you're not gonna be able to stop him anymore.
So a bigger guy in Bonel Balingit set to replace Saldi Ria Lubit. Ang labanan ng dalawang nakagagels na manlalaro ay matitigil ng pansamantala at ipapasok si Bonel Balingit. Hindi mo si Bonel Balingit yan.
Pangit naman. Malayo naman na itsura. Hindi naman. Partner ko yan si Bonel. Malayo naman itsura.
Yan po si Jesso
Hindi rin
Zaragoza.
Beauty and the Beast yan.
Naku, baka magalit si Bonel sa atin.
Hindi pwede magalit sa akin yan. Matagal na pinagsamahan namin yan.
Mahal na mahal ng napakarami si Bonel Balingit in his spare time is an actor at comedian yung si Bonel Balingit at marami pong pagkakataon nakakasama namin sa hot stuff nung may hot stuff pa. Bonel Balingit, ito yung pasa ni Edwards diretso kay Hison and Hison will finish this one. And Edwards, kita mo, nagpe-pacing pa Dr. J. Hindi na ako kailan tumakbo, papasa ko na lang yan.
Yeah, if you have a good finisher off the fast break, he was very happy dahil hindi lang scoring ang importante sa basketball. Assisting, rebounding, he did those things in that previous play. Nice screen off,
Goal ni Houston.
Nadulas pa siya kasi makukuha niya yung bola niya. Pero
Maganda
hindi
yung-
maganda pasa.
Yung intention sana maganda,
Maganda.
pero pag-execute kulang ng konti. 6-point lead para sa punan ng Gordons. Noong third quarter, 4:26 remaining.
Hinihingi na isolation lift. Sabi ni Marlo, sige, lipat ako. Contact ang nailisip ni Edwards. He has a lot more quickness than of course
Sobra.
Houston. No? Yun ang advantage niya. Yun ang adjustment ang ginawa ng Pop Cola. They use the import to guard the import of Gordons. But then there is that advantage of the quickness and you can see malayo bago siya na dumating sa defensive stance.
Sa bigat ng katawan ni Houston, nung time na nakapunta siya doon sa spot na i-cover
Huli na.
niya, unang-una na yung Edwards. Si Edwards missing his first free throw, 74-68 so far. Si Dennis Edwards, 25 points, the former USBL MVP. Pag USBL, Dr. J, mas mababang, ano bang
Supposed to be lower than the CBA.
CBA, ano?
He was averaging over 30 points a ball game and not much of a rebounder.
Timeout ang itatawag ng kupunan ng Papola. Ang aksyon ay magpapatuloy sa third quarter. Ang kupunan ng Gordon still in command of this ball game. Merong mga threats na ginawa ang kupunan ng Papola pero kada atake nila pinapatay sila nitong Gordons, but this time around he won't be denied his 2 points for a total of 21. Yan po si Byron Houston.
Kahit may double team, he was still able to get that shot off. A nice jump hook again there. Marlo Aquino going up against Bonel Balingit.
And he got
Oh, that's
trouble.
going to be goaltending.
Mali sila doon, ano?
Bumord na. Tapos
Pinakailaman nila.
tinapik niya. Pero, there's also that element. Kung may pasok ba yung tira na yun, no?
Ito, titignan natin ito
See,
sa...
that ball is going to board and then it's going to be tapped. Now, of course, that's already a violation. Ang importante dyan, the element also, if he has a chance of going in, that should have been present there also.
Ito, naagawang bola. Boy Beach Victoria out of sync in this ball game, Dr. J. Mukhang nahirapan siya kanina doon sa ginawa sa kanya. Ni Van David, samantala, itong kakunan ng Gordon na kanina ay mukhang hirap na hirap ng pagbangon. Itinaob na ng todo itong bangka ng Papola dito sa third quarter.
Yeah, out of the mistakes of Pop Cola, kino-convert ng Gordons. And Marlo, he didn't play well in the first game. And he cannot deny that. He played badly against Mobiline, but he's playing tonight.
Ito, Dr. J, oh. Hinintay lang nila yung timing. At saka kita mo, yung depensa ni Bonel Balingit had no chance of stopping that shot.
Marlo then long. Almost a rebound there for Wilmer Ong pero hindi niya na-control. Hison couldn't get up for it. Meanwhile, nandiyan na pala si Durendes. We have a blocking foul on Harencio. They're in the penalty.
So, 2 free throws yan para sa kupunan ng Papcola. At ito ay si Boy Beach Victoria. Si Boy Beach Victoria, hindi natin makita yung pagputok nung kanyang laro. Although nung nakaraang game, he had 9 points para sa kupunan ng Papcola nung talunin nila ang kupunan ng Pure Food sa Tarlac.
Well, he get the 9 points easy because he already has 8 in the ball game right now. He's got free throw shots. He's a pretty decent free throw shooter. No? So, and alam mo naman, basta bibigyan mo na oportunidad dyan, may kamay talaga yan si Boy Beach.
Itirahan ka talaga niyan, si Boy Beach Victoria. Produkto ng San Beda sa NCAA at ang NCAA po namin patuloy with the playoff set to start. Sa Thursday, mapapanood po ninyo ang ating playoff game. Ang San Sebastian will take that first slot. Waiting na sila. Hison for a long 3-point shot!
Ayan ang masakit. Isa lang ang na-shoot mo sa kabila, tinirahan ka ng 3-point. Di parang nanakawan ka pa ng dalawa. So bigla na lang 11 na alamang dito ng Gordon's Gin. No? And that's going to be another foul on Wilmer Ong. Yan ang kanyang papel.
Ito na ngayon, pigilin yung atake ng kalaban yun ang ginagawa. Ngayon, tama yung ginagawa nitong si Byron Houston.
Tama.
Hawak niya ang bola, bilisan niya yung move to the basket para wala yung ano.
Kasi pag aantayin mo, wala ka ng espasyo pipihitan. Binaba mo yung bola, baka masundutan ka pa. So, go to the free throw line. Of course, kailangan i-convert mo rin yung free throw attempts mo.
Byron Houston, who played for 3 different NBA teams, missing his first free throw bukas. Ilalabas yata ni Quinito Henson yung kanyang storya on Byron Houston.
Well, ano yun? Oh, nagkaroon ng violation, so 2 free throws pa rin.
First free throw kinana doon sa pangalawa. Actually, pangalawa yon, pero ngayon magiging isa pa ibibigay sapagkat may violation kanina on the first shot.
Pinito masipag mag-prepare ng
Ibang klase yung mamang yun. Ayan, nagkasama kayo sa NBA. Nakita mo naman, walang tulog, no?
maganda eh. Type pa yun.
Yan ang Quinito Henson.
Tutulog eh.
Ang alihop sana kay Marlo Aquino hindi nag-materialize. Boy Beach has it, bibigay kay Houston. Houston will take it down, shooting, and will now get an opportunity for a 3-point play.
Yeah, he was pushed by Ong. Alam mo si Ong, mali rin siya. Ong is not a bad defensive player. Pero ang inuuna niya yung pagpa-foul niya imbis na to try to defend. I mean, the guy there in that case was shooting off balance. You have a chance of blocking that at 6'5". Pero ang inuuna niya yung kanyang panunulak, gano'n. Kaya nawawala tuloy ang sa game.
Ang concentration, no? 25-11, a double-double for the huge man mountain by the name of Byron Houston.
Isolation play naman.
Houston.
Ganda naman.
Ang ganda ng hit, Dr. J, but ang rebound makukuha ni Houston. Ito, tumatakbo ng mabilis. Bibigay kay Houston and foul ang itatawag. Si Houston is having fun, no? Alam mo, dami niya ng tawa, pero wala, nakangiti pa lang, no? And that's the kind of attitude that you would want in a player, no? Hindi bugnutin. Ito, tingnan mo, ha?
Natawa pa nga.
Parang alam mo yung karambola, Dr. J? Tama, ha?
Nakatawa
Point.
dito. Si Houston eh.
Babanda. Point. Karambola ka, di ba?
So, nakakatakbo rin ito si Byron Houston. Nakakasabay sa fast break ng Papcola. And they've cut down that 11-point lead to 7.
Nako, but ang kanyang free throw shooting is in question at this moment. He has, as I told you kanina, merong 12 na rebounds na itatala nitong si Byron Houston.
Pero marami siyang mintis from the free throw line.
8 missed free throw shots, no? Sayang yan, kung naipapasok lang niya yan.
Lamang na dapat sila. Pero hindi cannot be expect to be perfect.
Okay, naipasok na yung kanyang pangalawang free throw with all the pounding that he has taken, absorbed in this ball game. That's 26 points. Nag-taper off ng konti, Dr. J, si Dennis Edwards of
Hindi naman
Gordon.
siya tumitira eh. Kasi iba na yung bumabantay sa kanya.
Si Houston na yung nandun. Hison, getaway.
That's a foul.
At foul ni Kenneth Duremdes. Hindi niya na binigay yung 3-point play kay Marlo. A wise move, no, para kay Kenneth Duremdes, preventing a possible 3-point play. So Marlo will have to earn his 3 points now from the free throw line.
And Marlo usually dunks those kind of shots. No? Pag binigyan mo ng drop-off na ganyan na walang tao sa harap niya, maliit, dadunkin niya yan. So, it was a good free throw. Marlo, 70% free throw shooter tonight. Yun, and improving.
Malaking ini-improve itong si Marlo Aquino as judged as the PBA Press Score's choice as MVP
Second conference.
of the second conference. So, beating yung kanyang kakampi na si Pito Horenzo by a close count, Dr. J.
Well, that's a miss there. Si Edwards, mukhang marami pa kanyang stamina. Hinahanap lang niya yung konting second win niya.
Byron Houston, may double team agad. Bukas si Victoria for a 3-point shot. This one is up. Masyadong malakas. Naku, masama yung bagsak ni
Naapakan yata ni ano eh.
season.
Oh.
Dr. J, nakita natin na itukod niya yung kanyang pat. Alam mo na, pag ni Vin Season, masama yung kanyang pagbagsak, no? Baka hyperextend yung paa niya. Teka rin natin, Dr. J. Ito, ipipiliksa doon sa may bandang baba. Hindi natin makikita yun, no? Yung left niya, mukhang sprain dito, Dr. J. Ito, from another angle, wala tiklop eh. Yun, no? Yung pagbagsak, Dr. J. Yung, alam mo yung pagbagsak niya, itinalon niya agad para hindi niya maramdaman yung sakit. And right now, si Vin Season, nilalagyan ng pampapatay ng pain, no? Just a pain reliever para bigyan ng panandali ang lunas, no? Parang to freeze yung pain na nandyan sa kanyang kaliwang paa. Pero masama yung ika nitong si Vin Season dito. Malaking bagay si Vin Season kung siya'y mawawala because of an injury. 8 points. Remember, ang chief gunner ng kupunan ng Gordons na si JV Gayoso will be out for the rest of the conference. Oh. So done na ho siya for this year dahil sa kanyang bout with hepatitis.
Yeah. Well, that's not that's a bad case. So, kailangan we don't want to see. Oh, what a nice inbound play. Nakatalikod lahat yung mga yellow shirts doon sa pasa ni Doivich Victoria, and we have a nice trapping defense here from the backcourt. Ortillas.
5 lamang abante ng Gordons as we approach the dying minutes or the dying minute of this quarter. Edwards missing the handle, tatawagan ng last touch. At take that off.
Mali naman si Arencio eh. Libre na si Edwards na binabantayan ni...
Hinugot na yung pasa.
Na binabantayan ni Durendes, inantay pa nila na nagkaroon ng switch off bago bigyan nila ng bola si Edwards. So, napunta kay Houston.
Houston, Terry Saldana all over Houston, and Houston will go to the free. Ayun, madali lang gawin nila, no? Bigyan nila yung bola kay Houston. May nakasampay na tao sa kanya, so foul din agad.
Because they're trying to half-front him. They're trying to deny him the ball. And you cannot deny him the ball. May experience ito.
Dr. J, tinanggal na yung benda sa paa ni Vin Season, who seems to be in pain right now. Lalagyan ng yelo at kanilang team trainer na si Francis, inaayusan na yung tama ni Vin Season sa kanyang kaliwang paa. We hope to see him back. And Houston has missed his 9th free throw of the ball game. 83-78 ang ating talaan. 27-year-old Byron Houston, second generation of second generation ng NBA players. Tatay niya having played for yung Milwaukee Bucks, no?
Yeah, that was a good lead there by Edwards na nagdadala ng bola ngayon, no? So hindi na nag-press ang Papola.
Edwards with a switch off.
Nice
Ganda ng
pass.
pasa. Ay, lalagay na sana ni Marlo, but he missed the slam. Victoria hand off to Byron Houston. Back to Victoria. Victoria missing. Ando si Malingit at sinakyan ni Terry Saldana. Fourth foul on Terry Saldana. Ito yung tamo si Victoria had an open shot yung sa sitwasyon na yung Dr. J. Muffed it. Buti lang nandun yung Balingit para kunin yung nawalang bola.
Correct. Yung rebound play.
At yan ng another man mountain. Ang Mount Balingit missing his free throw.
Nakakaiyak yung free throw percentage
Dami.
nitong Papola, no? They're only down by 5 but they've missed a ton of these free throws.
10 kay Byron Houston. Isa kay Balingit.
Ito malayo pa rin.
Pero ano yun, Dr. J?
No, it was a
1 point.
Balingit shot. Balingit shot.
83-79. Mula sa gilid. Wala. Durendes.
Nag-aapura yung Gordon sa hindi sila man nag-set up ang momentum nasa kalaban na, nag-aapura pa rin sila.
Houston, may triple team. Victoria, 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound Balingit. Balingit up fake. Sumalpal! At
Lahat touch yung Durendes.
bola ng kukunan ng Gordons per Dr. J. Yung action sa ilalim. Ang gandang panoorin, talagang mainit.
Yes.
Ang sarap pagka ganito, no? Parang, ayan nga, sabi ko sa inyo, parang karambola ito. Sinubukan
Inabot
ni
ni Terry Saldana sa likod tapos si Marlo
Sa harap. Yun yung tenacity sa ilalim ng Gordons. Edwards with 26 points in the ball game. Kaabang ng kanyang mga kasama. Aquino. Ang hirap ng mang tirang yung Dr. J.
Wala ka makukuhang foul kay Balingit sa ibabaw. Ginawa sa ilalim. Nagulat pa sila Balingit kung bakit may foul daw yun.
Pero kita mo ang gamit nung utak ni Marlo Aquino. That's a veteran move, Dr. J. At alam mo sino nagtuturo ng galaw niyo? Mukhang si Philip Cesar eh.
Maybe.
Yun yung laro ng
Mr.
Cesar
Stretch.
dati.
Mr. Stretch.
Lately, nakikita natin ang slow improvement ni Marlo Aquino sa kanyang free throw shooting.
Yeah, it's getting to be a little bit more decent. Right now, here it's at 75%. No, 8 out of 12. But it's getting to be decent.
Maganda, Dr. J. If Marlo Aquino continues to hit those free throw shots, ang hirap ngayon ito. Magdadalawang isip ka kung pa-foulin mo every time he goes to the basket.
Yeah. Matter of fact, ayaw mo siyang foulin dahil baka ma-shoot that 3-point play pa eh. Medyo mahaba talaga rin ang kamay nito eh.
Oh, stretch malinis na. Mukhang tinrabaho talaga yung free throw shooting niya during the off-season. Which was what? About 8 days, no? Dun sa pagkatapos nilang mag-champion nung Commissioner's Cup. 6-point lead.
Masamang kay Victoria. Binigyan pa niya ng opportunity at ng last shot tuloy ang Gordons dito and they're down by 6 with 12 seconds left.
Well, it's Victoria not in this ball game. His mind is somewhere else, Dr. J. Edwards, ang kanyang nakakahilong kilos. Montik na naman maka-aksidente. And time will run out. Ang ating score, 85-70. Montik pa yung tirang yun, ha? Hahabol pa sana eh. 85 para sa Gordons, 79 para sa Pop Cola. Edwards with 26 points para tapusin ang third quarter.